J.S. McCarthy is a folding carton supplier. We work with a lot of different regional and national brands.
We specialize in three main markets: pharmaceutical, food, and cosmetic.
We've been in business for over 60 years doing various types of commercial print, but our future really is in folding carton packaging.
J.S. McCarthy has some of the, I'd say, world-class technology that most people don't know about is under this roof.
Upper management has done a great job of forecasting where they want J.S. McCarthy to be in the market, and they're always investing in the future. We have state-of-the-art technology on the floor. The equipment is the best. The operator comfort is paramount for us, and that's what makes working here a wonderful opportunity.
It's actually a very exciting time for the company as we do transition more and more into this folding carton packaging marketplace. We've got some great opportunities that are coming our way. Our team is growing.
We at J.S. McCarthy invest in world-class equipment, which ultimately makes it easier for our workforce to be more productive out on the floor and more efficient. It makes for a better work environment.
I'm able to work with cutting-edge technology, advanced technology in the industry that I wouldn't be able to at other places. And I'm able to work with some of the most recognizable brands in the market today. And that's really important to me.
I've seen the company grow, and I'm very proud of what it has become and that I'm a part of it.
One of the beautiful parts about working at J.S. McCarthy is that we are an ESOP. The ESOP stands for Employee Stock Ownership Program. That means that when the company succeeds, the employee succeeds.
You're an owner. And so to me, that's unique. Especially in a company like this where we're growing leaps and bounds. The potential for an employee owner, the roof is really high.
I think it's really neat that we're employee owned. It's a really special thing because it gives everybody a share of our success, and everyone becomes an owner just by working here. And I think it creates a level of buy-in that you don't get in a traditional ownership structure.
The management is very good here. You will see them out on the floor working with you, working on machines, helping you in any way that they can. And to me, that's important because I run a machine and sometimes I need their help.
If you do have a question or concern, the door is always open. Even up front, you go up front, you can walk into the president's door and you can talk to him. No different than walking in my door or any manager in here. So it's an open door concept where the managers are working with you on every job.
We work well together. We laugh and talk, and it's a fun place to work.
Really, we want feedback from all different employees at all different levels because they're the people that are producing the jobs and doing the jobs and following these processes and workflows. And so if there's areas for improvement that they see, we want to hear about it. That's how we're going to get better.
Yeah, so if you are young, or even if you're a middle-aged person, if you want to work and you want to move up, there's always a potential to move up, to improve in your job, to get better opportunities to go from a helper to an operator, up into management to middle management. There's always growth.
Really anything and everything we can recycle, we do, from plastics to metal to corrugated, obviously waste paper. It all gets recycled, run on 100% wind power.
I take a lot of pride in the company and how we've grown and how we've expanded, and I'm very looking forward to the growth over the next several years.